So this is a kind of interesting creek or river. So it comes out way up there where I parked the van. And instead of continuing on there, it comes down the road for like a good 50 feet, maybe more, then goes down this little way right here. This is Upper Eagle Creek Road. You can take it off the 191 up north of Clifton and Morenci. It's just south of Juan Miller Campground and Juan Miller Road, which is another road I'd recommend taking. It's goes down to the Blue River. But yeah, this place is, as soon as you walk into the water here under the trees and everything, it feels like a good 10 to 15 degrees cooler. And there's the van. See, so it comes out right here. It might go a little bit in that way, but see how it goes. It's the first time I see it. It goes all the way down. Kind of cool. I'm gonna go up over here. It's a little shallower. Yeah, so a little bit of a stream goes this way, but most of it goes down there. So yeah.